Interpersonal communication is an essential aspect of human interaction. It refers to the way we communicate and connect with others on a personal level. This form of communication is not only limited to face-to-face interactions, but it also includes various modes such as written, verbal, and non-verbal communication. Understanding the factors and skills involved in interpersonal communication can greatly enhance our ability to build healthy and meaningful relationships with others. There are several factors that influence interpersonal communication. Firstly, the environment in which the interaction takes place plays a crucial role. The physical setting, noise level, and privacy can all affect how individuals communicate with one another. For example, trying to have a serious conversation in a crowded and noisy cafe might not be as effective as having it in a quiet and private space. Secondly, the social and cultural context greatly impacts interpersonal communication. Different cultures have distinct communication norms and expectations. Understanding and respecting these cultural differences is important to avoid misunderstandings and promote effective communication. Additionally, the existing social relationship between individuals also affects how they communicate. Interacting with a close friend versus a colleague at work requires different levels of formality and intimacy. Another significant factor in interpersonal communication is non-verbal communication. This includes body language, facial expressions, gestures, and tone of voice. Non-verbal cues often speak louder than words and can convey emotions, attitudes, and intentions. By paying attention to these non-verbal signals, we can better understand the true meaning behind someone's words and adapt our own communication accordingly. Effective interpersonal communication also relies on certain key skills. Active listening is one such skill that involves fully engaging with the speaker and responding appropriately. It entails giving one's full attention, maintaining eye contact, and using verbal and non-verbal cues to show understanding and empathy. By actively listening, we can better understand others' perspectives and avoid misunderstandings. Another important skill is empathy, which involves understanding and sharing the emotions and experiences of others. By putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we can respond in a compassionate and supportive manner. Empathy helps to build trust and strengthens interpersonal connections. Clear and concise communication is another vital skill in interpersonal communication. Being able to express oneself confidently and articulately ensures that messages are effectively conveyed. It involves choosing the right words, structuring thoughts logically, and avoiding misunderstandings or misinterpretations. Assertiveness is also crucial in interpersonal communication. Being assertive means expressing one's thoughts, feelings, and needs in a respectful and confident manner. It involves standing up for oneself without being aggressive or disrespectful towards others. An assertive approach fosters mutual respect and can lead to positive outcomes in a conversation. Lastly, conflict resolution is an essential skill in interpersonal communication. Disagreements and conflicts are common in any relationship, and knowing how to address and resolve them is crucial. Effective conflict resolution involves active listening, empathy, and finding mutually acceptable solutions. It allows individuals to express their concerns and needs while seeking a resolution that is satisfactory to all parties involved. In conclusion, understanding the factors and skills involved in interpersonal communication is essential for building positive and meaningful relationships. The environment, social and cultural context, as well as non-verbal communication, all play significant roles in shaping how we interact with others. Additionally, skills like active listening, empathy, clear communication, assertiveness, and conflict resolution are necessary for effective interpersonal communication. By developing and honing these skills, we can build stronger connections, reduce misunderstandings, and foster positive relationships in both personal and professional settings.